A very good morning, class. Today I am going to take a class of HTML. So take out your books and let's know about the HTML. So first of all, we will know HTML stands for what. So it is a hypertext markup language. Hypertext means the text which we use on web page. And here word markup means the work which we do and that work we mark. So that is markup. So that's why this HTML is called the hyper markup language. So now let's look the content. In this video we will come to know about the introduction of the HTML, types of the HTML tags and the basic HTML tags, and I will tell you about the structure of the HTML. So let's start the class. So HTML is a markup language. That means it is a set of markup tags. In this language we use the tags to markup and used to format web page content. Just text files, they can be written in even the simplest text editor. You will need a text editor such as Notepad, Internet Browser, and Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. Means if we are going to work for the HTML, so any text editor, here we will take a Notepad while practical. So here more examples I have given. What is HTML? So the HTML is a language for describing web pages. First we will know what are the web pages. Like on a browser, if you search anything regarding any topic, so on a one page you get the many sites. You will look the many sites. So that sites which present on a one page, that is called the home page. So that home page is called web page, and that websites contains many pages. Like you can say that many links are there of the same topic. So that sites, the container of the many sites on a one page, that is called the web page. As I told, HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. In this we use the tags, that's why it is called the markup tags. The tags describe document content. HTML document contain HTML tags and the plain text. So the HTML documents are also called the web pages. Whatever the HTML documents are there, that's are called the web pages also. Here one more point I would like to add, that HTML is not a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means like it is not that in the tag we will use a small letter only or in capital letters. In this language we can use both, like capital and small, both letter under the tags. Now let's know about the HTML tags. So there are two different types of tags. One is called container tag and another one is empty tag. Means container element and the empty element. So container word itself, it means that something it holds or something it contains, right? So container tags contains start tag and the end tag. For example, like HTML and the closing of the HTML. See, look in the video. It is given first in a first tag. It is there that HTML tag. See, which I have underlined. That is the opening tag. In this, we cannot use that different types of brackets while making the HTML links. We have to use this less than and greater than sign. This is called the tag under which we write. Another one, the closing. Now to close that tag we use the slash. So in the opening we are not using the slash beta, and in the closing tag we are using that slash tag. So these are the opening and ending tag, the tag which contain start and end, that are called the container elements. Empty elements. Empty tags contain start tag. In this only the tag have only the start. It is not having the ending part. So that's why it is called the empty element. For example, I have given here that BR. It means the break the line. So it is this tag is not having the closing tag. So that's why it is called the empty element. The container tags are also called the pair tags, and the empty tags that are called the unpaired tags. Same, I have given the example. An HTML tag is known as a pair tag when the tag consists of an opening tag and a closing tag. Like P means paragraph. The P that first we have used for the opening, and see the slash and the tag we have contained, that is the end tag. So that's why the opening and end both is given. So it is called the pair tag, means the pair of one tag it is there. It is not one, it is not single, there is a pair. So like B means bold. So B, it is opened and then it is closed. And in the unpaired tag, in the previous page I have given you the example of the BR, which means that break the line, and here I have given you the HR, which means the horizontal line. So it is not having the closing part, closing tag it is not there, only the starting tag is there. So that's why it is called the unpaired tag, means iska second pair is not there. So that's why it is called the unpaired tag. Now I hope you have well understood about the HTML and the tags of the HTML. Now here I am going to tell you about the structure of the HTML. So first, see, we are going to make a HTML link. So first we will use the HTML. Here I have opened that. This one, this is called the opening tag, and of this HTML, here I have given the closing part also. See, the slash is used in the tag. And while we are making the HTML link, first we need the header part, that is called the head. Under the tag, see beta, the tags we have used this less than and greater than sign. So under the head, title comes. Always whenever we are doing any work, like we are going to do any work regarding any topic, so first of all we give the header part. So under the header we give the title. So same as in the this HTML, first we have to give the header part and then the title. So that header part which we have opened here, so that closing also it is. So under the header part, see, under the header part title is there, and title first we have to open and then we have to close it. So HTML contains the two part. First, that is this header part and the body part. So after this header title, we will use this area. This area is called the content of the page beta. So in this, first we will use the body, opening and then closing of the body. So under this we use like a paragraph, and if you want to bold the content, means whatever the page content you will give, that you have to mention here. Like if you want to italic your text, you want to bold your text, you want to underline your text, that all things we will I will give you the practical in the lab. So in this language, all HTML language, you have to go through your chapter, learn all the structures, tags and the basic of the HTML. I hope you have well understood about the structure and HTML. Thank you class. Bye bye.